Wild orange cat facts. Did you know there's a whole world of wonder behind those charming wild orange cats? These vibrant kitties stand out in a crowd with their striking coats and captivating gaze, instantly drawing in cat lovers. Orange cats, also known as ginger cats, owe their stunning color to a genetic mutation. These charismatic cats are known for their friendly and social behavior. From fictional characters like Garfield to internet sensations like Lil Bub, orange cats have captured hearts worldwide, making them ideal stars for stories and social media alike. Have you experienced the joy of having an orange cat in your life? If not, consider adopting one. Subscribe to our channel for more feline fun and share your stories about orange cats with us.